just before Christmas we did the flooring, and we showed a video in doing that, and obviously that's a massive improvement. Been really happy with it since, and it'd be nice to work on as well actually, because it's not directly on the concrete floor. And we did say in the video that we're going to actually change the lights on the wall. Not that we need to, just that just make it look a little bit better. So we usually have like a strip light that goes across the top there, so we're taking that off at the moment, and we've got it on that side there, which we're going to be taking off. And what we've done, we've got these hexagon lights, and as you can see on the floor there, and that's basically what we're going to put up. Now these hexagon light comes in like a little jigsaw thing, so you put all the connections up, and you can see Bry over there, he's putting it all together. But these have been designed to actually go on the ceiling, so it's actually facing downwards, but we decided we're going to actually run it along across the wall, because they are quite cool looking lights, but like I said, they have been designed to put on the ceiling. Now we can't put it on the ceiling, we've got a really high ceiling here, so it's going to have no effect if it's all the way that high, and we need to keep it high because we get a lot of big motorhomes in here, and it actually, you know, we just about get some of them in here with all the bits that's sitting on the roof. So we can't have anything that drops low, and you know, we have to leave that as it is. So we are going to just put these on the wall. Like I said, they designed it for going upright, so basically holding it up, so up on the ceiling somewhere, but there's not designed it to go on the wall. But we managed to find some clips, these clips here, and they just fit perfectly on there. So then what we can do is then attach it to the wall. So it's just got these wall clips here, and basically they just clip onto the lights like that, and they'll be screwed to the wall, and then we can actually clip it against the wall. So that's the plan. And so this grid here that we've done here, we're going to put up against this back wall up here. We're going to go high with it, and these we're going to drop down, and then Brian over there is just getting that one ready for that back wall, and we're just working out if we've got enough pieces to get it all done. So that's where we are at the moment. Right, so this wall we've got the lights up, so let's plug it in and see what it looks like. Check that out. Right, so now we've got that side to do. It's all been laid out, ready to go. So yeah, let's crack on. Right, so we have done the two walls completely. So you can see those up there. The lights that we had up there, we've now dropped them, and I think that's going to be better for us for working anyway, because it'll light up the kick rail when you have the door open. But I just think it looks pretty good. Still got that wall to do, so we've dropped the lights, but we still need to get the lights up top there. So that's the only bit to do, but it's coming towards the end of the day, so that's done. We're going to do that another day, and once we've done that, then we'll show you a video of it complete. Right, finally got all the lights done, so have a look around. We've done all three walls, and it just looks, in my opinion, looks amazing. It's really transformed the workshop. It's nice and bright as well, which is nice. And what we've done, because we had a little bit left over, come over here. So what we did, we put one on our counter, just to really jazz it out a little bit. All I'm waiting for is the camera lady to actually do out a little dragon sticker there, and that'd be quite nice. Just finish it off nicely after that. So yeah, there you have it.